Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode today. We're going to go down to Spokane, Washington. I'm going to go to one of my favorite barbecue franchises, Dickey's Barbecue. They even have free all-you-can-eat soft-serve ice cream for the kiddies and me. First up, I'm going to make a drink. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua, Mookie. So we're just going to do a quick drink. This is called a Cherry Fizz. So I have my whiskey glass here. Do a little bit of ice. We're just going to pour it over ice. So we're going to start out. The bartender's guide calls for 1 ounce of fresh lemon. I'm just going to do the juice of 1/2 lemon. And we'll go 2 ounces of cherry brandy and 4 ounces of club soda. So again, that was 1 ounce of fresh lemon, 2 ounces of cherry brandy, and 4 ounces of club soda. And then I got a lemon wedge as a garnish. And that, my friends, is a Cherry Fizz. So coming up next, we're going down to Spokane.
So I went to the Dickey's located in the Spokane Valley. I went in, it was completely empty. Always get the brisket. They were out of brisket. They were out of the pork burnt ends. They were out of the brisket burnt ends. They were out of ribs. So I think my fifth choice was the turkey. Did not enjoy the turkey. Had a really weird texture, like it was over brined or just heavily processed. It was just a weird texture. And then the cornbread was dry. I got the beans. The beans were good. And then the salad was really weird. I got the Caesar salad. They wedged a bunch of romaine lettuce into a cup. And then they piled a ton of bacon bits and cheese on top. And then they gave me the salad dressing on the side. Now, I understand, like, you don't want to pre-mix the Caesar salad because it'll get soggy, but I just couldn't mix up the dressing with the lettuce because it was just all wedged in the cup. So I just ate the bacon bits and the dressing and the cheese off the top. It was terrible. And even the soft-serve ice cream had ice crystals in it. It was all grainy and sandy, so it was just a horrible experience. But I love Dickey's, so I wanted to give them another chance. So I went to the north location on North Division Road in North Spokane. It's a completely different location. I've been to Dickey's franchises all over the United States and never had a bad experience. So I wanted to give them another chance. So the one in North Spokane, they actually had my brisket, and it was lovely. Just mouth-watering, a good amount of smoke. Canada, you don't get a good amount of smoke on your barbecue. I think they try to suit Canadians' tastes. And then I got the fried okra on the side. Of course, you get the big yellow cup. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese was very good. And then they have a number of sauces. I went with the sweet. They don't say it, but I can detect a little Dr. Pepper in their sweet barbecue sauce. That's my favorite. And the fried okra was nice and crisp and crunchy. It was just a way better experience.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Make sure you subscribe and give us a like. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.